So we were talking about how digital wealth management could completely change the asset management industry and really improve the outcomes for a really wide range of people. Not the people who've got lots of money and have advisors now, but everyone, because everyone needs to be an investor.
One of the first questions was, can robo-advisors and robo-investors give investors better outcomes? And what I said in answer to that is that there's a lot of evidence that when investors are left to their own devices to make their asset allocation decisions, they don't do very well. Robo-advisors, robo-investors can really help investors to get the returns that they deserve to earn by making them more comfortable with what they're doing, instilling trust, transparency, and having really low fees as well for what they're providing.
What came up is it's about trust, it's about brand, it's about tracking records. So the movement is there. It will take time, but I think the robos are here really to filling this advice gap, and they're shaking the traditional players. So all this is a perfect match with the ETFs, I think. So it's a great opportunity for us.
Well, we had a really good discussion about consumer education, customer education. I think people are really shocked about how low level the financial education is in the UK, and most people don't really understand even compound interest, which is really the basics of finance. So we had a really good discussion about how do you educate customers, and we at Nutmeg see it as a real responsibility for us, a mission to educate our customers, to help them invest, because they need to invest for their pension, they need to invest for other goals, and we need to help them stay with market volatility, to keep their fees low, and actually exhibit really good behaviours of being a good investor and not run scared from these terrible, scary markets.
Well, first of all, the most interesting thing is I think this space is vibrant. You see it in the audience is engaged. You see it in the panelists. If you would have looked at the same panel probably 2 years ago, they all have developed their business models quite a bit. I thought interesting points were, one, B2B is going to get more important, white label solutions are going to get more important, the big players are starting to engage and the discussions around that. And I think also the overriding theme of the client experience, the user experience, which is going to drive success in this industry.